Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nora Priscilla
And me, Ayu Aulia Winata.
and we are from class 2A.
In this video, we're gonna make our speaking final term assignment with the title
Chit Chat English Talk. So this is English podcast, which is we will answer the questions, several questions that we have prepared before, and we will answer it.
Yeah. So next, for the first question, maybe you just have to
Yeah.
test it.
For your information, it's about learning experience and teaching experience from our personal experience. Okay. So the first questions.
I'm gonna ask you now.
Okay.
What are your reasons for learning or loving English?
Okay, actually, I will tell you about why I'm loving English until now. That's because my father, when I was
girl.
Yeah.
It's always that.
Yes, my
So
dad.
what is it?
I love my dad. So when I was a kid, my dad always give me like kids shows in English language or cartoon in English. For example, like Nickelodeon.
Yeah.
As you know, in the past, Nickelodeon had not Indonesian. English subtitle
subtitle.
and dubbing,
Yeah.
so we have to understand what they say,
Yeah.
and that made me curious about English vocabularies and the sentence of the English. So I always ask my dad, what's the meaning of this vocab? What is the meaning of they say it in the cartoon or in the TV shows? So that's why I'm loving English, and I'm learning English until now because I love it since I was kid. So I just learning it until now.
Yeah.
So that's my reason.
So you're kinda used to it like in the movies or maybe in the vocabulary that your father had to teach you.
Yes.
So me, in my personal experience, I'm kinda feel like like smart when you understand English.
Yes, I know. It's some privilege.
Yeah, it's a privilege. I mean, English is everywhere. You can find it everywhere. And I love English. It's kind of a must-have skill these days. I think everyone should learn English the basic way maybe. And
Especially that's international language.
Yeah.
So you have to learn it.
yeah. And sometimes when people ask me about English, it's kind of useful though. They ask you about English and where answer it is kind of useful though. Okay, next question maybe.
We go to the next question. Okay, for the next question, we now will answer first. What method do you use for learning? It's general method.
So what method do I use for learning English? That actually I'm not really grew up in an English friendly environment.
Yeah.
But same as you know, that my dad has to teach me English, and besides that, my mom teach me how to learn Arabic. It's like reading the Quran, so it's a life balance though. And I love a kid show too. My dad always gives a kid show. So when I was a kid, since I was a kid, I've always watched some movies in a global television.
Yeah.
But there's no local on me.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe I'm just kind of used to it when I heard the vocabulary on English, and I think that's my place. I think that's my people. You know. You know
That's
what?
really impact to our learning until now, right? So
I mean,
yeah.
big thanks to you, Daddy.
Okay, so
what about you?
my method.
Yeah.
Actually, I learning English not in a specific learning like grammar in the class or take a course. No, I just learn from movie,
Yeah.
from music, especially because I love English music, and that makes me know about idioms, new vocabularies, and something like that. So that's a basic method for me to understand English and learning such as their vocabs or their grammar. Even there are grammatical error, I will know because I learned from the music. I will search about the grammar. Is it right or
Yeah.
is it
So we
idioms?
have to
Yeah.
correct our word.
Yes.
And I think that we don't have to take a specific course about learning English. Well, based on our experience, we're not
Yeah.
really taking about the grammar class or maybe the pronunciation class. We just met these classes in our college. So
Yeah.
from movies, songs,
Yeah.
maybe, and other
Yeah.
apps maybe on your phones. You get used to it.
It can improve your skill like listening or
Speaking,
speaking,
like
reading, something
words.
like that.
Okay, it's a question now.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask Naura. Naura, what are your wishes for your English learning in the future?
Okay, actually, all people want to useful for the others.
Yeah.
But about learning English, if related to the useful for the others. It's like I want to be a translator or tour guide, so that I can use my skills like speaking to people that need it.
I'm kind of agree with you, Naura, for this question. I'm gonna have the same answer.
Yeah, the point is you have to be
Useful for other people.
Yeah, especially with your English skills. That's my wish. Yeah.
I want to everyone be useful too for me.
Yeah, and it's also related to all my dreams. I have many dreams, and it's related to English skill. Yeah, that's mine.
Like a translator, like a tour guide.
Yeah, that's right. So what about you, Ina? What are your wishes?
My wishes is maybe one of the big wishes for me is I want to travel the world. Like you can go in other country, like you can enjoy the food,
Yeah.
feel the culture, and you can communicate with other people using English. Since English is in an international language.
Yeah,
You
that's
can go.
also my dream.
You can go to Japan or maybe Netherlands. You cannot communicate with local people, but you can always use English for
English.
communicate with everything, with every people, every country.
Yeah, it means like
Oh my
even we don't know their local language, we have English, so we can communicate to all people in the around the world.
That's why
It's a common
English
language.
is important for
Yes,
everyone.
especially in English education. Okay, so next to the fourth question is, how did we end up here both taking English in this major in this generation?
Okay, so in this generation, I've always loved English since I was a kid. Based on my personal experience that I've told y'all, that I love English more than any other subject, like math.
Yeah, especially
social.
math.
I don't know. It's kind of natural for me to understand English more than anything, maybe. And everyone around me kind of knew too. Like my friends know me, like, oh, I know you're gonna have to choose English major for your college, and my parents kind of supporting me too. So yeah.
It's support you to improve your English, right?
Yeah.
Actually, if me, I just have a simple reasons why I am both here. Yeah, like I mentioned before, I love English since I was kid, so it's naturally flow when I start to getting major like this time.
Yeah, I
that's why. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a simple reason why I end up here.
I think we got the same reason, or maybe we got the same experience.
Like so far.
Naturally comes to us. Okay.
So that's all about our podcast, Chit Chat English Talk. I'm Nora Itlila.
And me, Ayu Aulia Winata.
Okay, thank you very much for your nice attention. And the last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank